Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build amazing effects in Capcut Pro. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel as it really helps with me making content like this. So let's get into the video. So as you can see on my timeline here, I've got a clip. And when you're working with effects, you want to make sure that you apply the effects to the certain clip on your channel here. And you can see that it's divided or split. Okay, so if I wanted to split this into different categories before she crosses her arms and I want to apply the effect there, what I'm going to do is just kind of take my mouse, left click on here, and right before she crosses her arms, that's where I want to split it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select here, or what I can do is just put my mouse around here and do Command A or Control A to select all of the clips, because you might have a background as well as your main footage, and what you want to do is you want to split both of them evenly. So then you could come over here and it says C for split, so you could just press C, or you could just press it. So I'm just going to press it, and now you can see as I move this over, you can see that this is split over here, and you can test this just by kind of left clicking here, and I'm going to drag my mouse down and it's going to select these two clips. Now I'm going to left click and I'm just going to kind of move it. So now what I can do is I can apply an effect to this section here that I wanted, but you could see it's not split because as I highlighted it, you could actually see that this part isn't split evenly. So I'm going to come over here and it auto links it to the area where it was split. So now I'm going to select split again, and now you can see that it's evenly split. Watch, when I highlight it, I can kind of move it over, I could bring it back. And so now let's say I wanted to add an effect just to this area here. Okay, so let's say I'm working on this area and I want to just make sure that there's an effect just on these two. What I'm going to do is I'm going to left click on the outside and drag like this. And now I'm going to go to the effects tab, select the effects. And this is one of my favorite ones. It's called Warp Flash. And you could test out many of these. What I like to do is make sure that the playhead is on this scene, and then look to the right here at your scene, and come over to Warp Flash and just press it, and then watch your scene on the right here. So you can see exactly what it's going to replicate. And then let's say if you want to use bolts, you could also do this. So let's left click on bolts and see what it does. So now to apply this warp flash, I'm just going to left click it and I'm just going to drag it down to the area that I want on the video clip. Right there. And now we can play and just see how it looks. Let's press play. And there you go. And if you don't like that, what you can do is you can right click on here. You could edit effects. Or you could just do a Command Z to undo that. Or what you can do is you can apply an effect on top of that. So for example, if we wanted to do a camera shake, we can do that. We could apply it here, and now it's going to have a camera shake effect. So now we can move the playhead and we can press play, and it's got the camera shake. And if you don't want the camera shake, you could actually come over here, highlight it, and just press D for delete. And that's how you work with effects in Capcut Pro. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.